We've got a 24 Tremor Platinum in the shop today. We're going to be installing a bunch of parts from Carli to level it out with some 37s. Behind me here are all the parts laid out on the table. We are getting ready to get started. Next to me here is the very talented Eric, and he's going to dive into exactly what it takes to make all this happen on this new Tremor.
We got the Tremor up on the lift. We're just doing disassembly. Shocks are out, sensors are disconnected. Gonna tear out the coil springs and a couple other pieces and then start reassemble. We're about to put in the sway bar drop brackets. They'll install up front here, pretty self-explanatory. Put a little spacer down here on the stud and that'll be it for the sway bar. Wow. Look at all that footage. I got some stuff. It's gonna go like this and put it together in this. We're just pre-assembling our track bar here. We gotta clean off the NICs, get red Loctite on there, then assemble with the proper spacers for the 2.5-inch lift. 8.5. All right, we got our caster bushings in here. Our rear shocks are in. Next, we're gonna do our front brake lines and our brackets.
What you got there?
I'm a brake line.
Oh yeah, brake line. Oh my goodness.
Fancy. Check out this alignment. Putting in these bars everybody hates.
I don't like forks. Bars?
Bars.
Oh, bars and bars.
Just aligning in here. Reprogram some tire sensors. Finishing touches. All right, just got the Tremor wrapped up. Leveling kit up front, no more tire rub. Rides nice down the road. Install was pretty straightforward. Extended brake lines, sway bar drops, raised coil, shocks, a couple other things. All in all, pretty easy install and improved tire clearance.